ma'am.
Just wait for a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, say.
ma'am, I was telling that in this chapter 4, the addition exercise
This this first one is blank. I have not done because you have to do it yourself. Okay, that's why I have not done this one. Exercise J. 1, 2, 1 A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. But you will do it later, not now. Don't start. Okay. This one you will do it later, only in today's class. Okay. But at the last. Now start from number 2. All of you. Put the date, write CW and mark question number 2. Okay. Put the date 28th of July 21. Write CW also. Okay. Now number 2A. Acha, I am just covering the answers. Already I explained about the rule, vinculum and bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes or no? V Bodmers? Okay. So that rule we have to apply here. Okay. So the first one, it is very much easy. Here only bracket is given and then subtraction. Okay, this is given in bracket, it is given 18 plus 10. In the second bracket here, it is given 3 into 6. Okay, just you have to find these two bracket answer. Then we have to subtract it. So it will be 28 minus 18. That is equal to, the answer is 10. Yes? Acha, today we have to complete exercise J. Huh? So just be a little bit faster. Huh? Okay, now the next one, this one. 14 plus 7. Acha, first don't do this multiplication 7 and 13. Okay, don't do that. First, these two bracket we have to complete. Then their multiplication. Yes, to Mirza? Okay. Now just look at this. 17 plus 7 plus 14, 21 into 13 minus 8. That is equal to 5. Now 5 into 21 is equal to 105. First two done. I am sharing the answers. Number D is not done over there. Okay, number C, normal. 50 minus 23. That is 27 into this number. 12. 324 is the answer. Now this one. 8 into 10. It will be 80 divided by. Here 20 divided by 5. That means 4. Now 80 divided by 4. That is 20. Do number D. Acha. Orgodi Maji, are you getting all the solutions? You are able to see it, Orgodi, and understood too? Just shake your head if yes. Okay, okay. As if clear? Acha. Okay, now number E. First this bracket, okay, 9 minus 3, it is 6. Then 1 by 1. Acha, 15. Acha, here you can say, ma'am, why we'll write all the in each and every line, why we are writing this division, okay? Yes, you can do it in this way also. Acha, just let me write this one. 80 divided by, I hope you have completed already. Look, number E, okay? Here in first part, you can do this division. Basically, in this division part, there is no bracket too. So first, usually we do the bracket work. So first 9 minus 3, the bracket part we are doing. And as well as you can in the same time, you can do this division, because these two are individually, totally individual thing, okay? Here bracket and here division. There is no connection between this bracket and division, okay? But if there is any connection, then only at first you have to do bracket work. Understood though? Okay. Arifa, understood? Okay. Now number F. Divyanka, do it yourself, then check the answer. All of you, Orithros, Injini, do it yourself then. Okay. Debolin, Junaid, I am not taking all the names, okay? All of you try to first do it yourself, then check the answers. Rifa, with whom you are talking? And every day, Amitrajit, you are not wearing the uniform. I don't know why. Okay, now let me explain number F, the last one. Basically, first we have to do the calculation of this division. 3 divided by 3. So it will be just 1. Now 12 into 1 into 4 minus this 2 plus 6. Okay. So what to do? Look, this one you can directly multiply. 12 1 is 12 into 4. 4 12s are 48. Minus 2 plus 6. Achha, first addition, then subtraction. Bodmash. So first addition. Now what to do? Here look, it is given 48 minus 2 plus 6. Okay, in 48, before 48 there is no sign. That means what? Plus. If no sign is there, that means plus. So 48 is positive plus and 6 is also plus, positive. So we can add them, which are in plus 48 plus 6. Okay, so we can add them. It will be 54 minus this 2. Now next this minus subtraction. Now you can tell me that, ma'am, can we do it in this way? 48 minus 2 plus 6. First this minus 2. 46, then plus 6. Ultimately, the answer will be same. Okay. But I am maintaining the rule. Okay. If you want to maintain that rule, then at first we have to add 6 and 48, then the subtraction. Understood though? But if we do this subtraction first, no issue. There will be no problem. Okay. As there is no bracket, that's just normal, the numbers are given. So ultimately the resultant value will not be changed. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now 3A. There are some brackets, okay? First bracket, second bracket, and third bracket. This one is first bracket. First, we have to complete the calculation of first bracket, then second bracket. Already at the time of revision, that first chapter, revision chapter, I told you about this. This one is the third bracket. Some BODMAS rule type questions were there, na? Okay, now what to do? 3A. First, we have to calculate this part, first bracket. 24 minus 10, that will be what? 14. We have got 14. Now, this second bracket. 20 minus 14, that is equal to 6. Plus this 7, it will remain as it is. 6 plus 7, 13. Okay. Now, number B. Okay, first this first bracket. 5 plus 15 plus 5, 20. Plus this 20 is given there. Again, this second bracket. After doing the calculation of first bracket, this first bracket will get removed. Okay. It will be vanished. Okay, next. Second bracket, 20 plus 20, it is in the second bracket. So as we are doing this calculation, 20 plus 20, it will be 40. So second bracket calculation also done. So second bracket will get removed. Okay. So only 40 is there, minus this 5. So the answer is 35. Done. Number C. Again, there is first bracket 18 plus 17. That is 35. Divided by 5. It will be as 18 plus 17 already done. So first bracket will get removed. Now 35 divided by 5. Divided by 7 as it is. First, second bracket we have to calculate. It will be 7. As this calculation already done, so second bracket will be removed. Divided by 7. Ultimately 7 divided by 7, 1. Okay, done. Okay. Do number D first. Complete this. Number C, D. Okay, now let me show you the full screen. E, F is there, okay? Then you will do question number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F in class by yourself, okay? I'll check your copy. Three, E and F. Orgodev, what happened? 3, E and F. Complete it first. Now the number F, number E, okay? 25 off. Basically, off means multiplication. So, of 16. But if suppose off and multiplication sign both are together, okay? Then first we have to calculate this off part, then multiplication part. This one is known to you though. Okay. 25 given, then of 16 given, divided by it is 8, then plus 4. Okay. First do this one, 25 into 16, as it is off, so it will be 400 divided by 8 plus 4. Now first this division, 400 divided by 8, it will be 50. So 50 plus 4. It is 54. Shourjashi is there. I cannot see you. I can just see your fan. Yes. Number F. 116 plus 18 divided by 3. First, this division we have to do. 18 divided by 3, this will be 6. Okay. Then the other number, other sign will remain as it is. Minus 7 into 5. Up to second line done. Now, look at the third line. First addition we have to do. Before that, there is a multiplication. So, first this multiplication we have to do. 7 5s are 35. So, we have got 116 plus 6 minus 35. Now, first this addition. Yes, 122 minus 35. It will be 87. This is the answer. Those who have completed up to F, they can start question number 1 A, B, C, D, E, F. Before that, let me check all the copies. Whether you have done up to this or not.